Baba.
On your film. Asibo.
See Yam Baba.
Emeka Makes on your film.
Hey. Easy.
Emi, show us the way now. Show us the way now.
Show you which
update.
Show you which way. Yam Baba.
Emi, you know you have forgotten me.
Forgotten who?
When you started this your movie industry, we follow they support your minister.
Yam Baba.
We follow buy your film.
Yam Baba, this is your talk. Don't they enter one kind? What is the problem?
Emi, remember that time you did something in your village. You know, I was part of the people that was in your committee of friends. Now they share food, they do all these things. You have forgotten us.
Yam Baba. Yam Baba.
Emi, even that your film you shot in Lagos, I downloaded it immediately that night, Emi. You have forgotten us now, Emi.
Yam Baba, I am on my way to somewhere. So what is the problem? This is your talk. I don't understand. Where is it heading to?
Emi, I have a small problem. I don't know if you can assist me. You are my man. Please, Emi. I know you there. After me, my tummy begin to get big. It's not food. My tummy begin to get big. I can't feel pain in my tummy. So I went to hospital. I went for Esli. All those Esli. Doctor said that they saw bottle cover Opuchimanya inside my stomach.
Yam Baba. What is a bottle cover doing in your stomach? How did he get there?
My brother. I don't know. How can I explain? So they say they will operate on me. So they say it's 2.5. I've already raised money. I just need only 300,000 naira from you, and the money will be complete. Emi, I swear with my life. Emi, immediately after the operation, I will pay you your money back. I swear.
You swear with your life?
Please. Immediately after the surgery operation, I'll pay your money back, Emi. Because.
Yam Baba. Bottle cover in your stomach, and you want to go for surgery, and you're swearing with your life.
Yes.
Yam Baba, giving you the money is not the problem. But what if you die? Who will pay me?
Emeka. Emeka Makeze.
No, what if you die? Who will pay me? Yam Baba.
This one you called me. You know, every time you call me, I used to have hope. Hey, money, sir. How you feel?
Yam Baba himself.
Boss, I did for Glad. Can you give me, sir?
No problem. We don't have any problem. We are not complaining.
Okay, sir.
A quick one.
Okay, sir.
What can 2 million naira do for you right now?
2 million naira?
Yes.
Hey, Jesus has supplies you with many blessings. Also supplies you got with many blessings.
Yeah, Baba.
2 million. Iya mane mele mondi kandele chimedeme. Yambuno vide mele mondi kandele chimakoko.
Yam Baba.
Emi, thank you for waking me up with this kind of question. Emi, please, God will bless you. For remembering me. Hey, 2 million naira.
Oh. It's nothing.
Emi, see,
yes.
2 million will go a long way for me. Okay. First of all, I will use 500,000 naira to inject into my business.
Okay.
Because my shop, Tobochako, nothing is in my shop. Sometimes, if customer enter my shop to buy something, all those my neighbors will be. Will be so if I put it there everywhere I will put more goods in my business. And then I'll go to village and then use 600,000 to do toilet in my father's compound. I have all of toilet in my village. If you want to go to shit, we used to enter bush.
Don't worry.
So I'll put it in my village. Then even our sink in the village, everywhere is leaking. I will use like 350 and then do sink. Then my mother has been complaining that she has been owing in her church. It's the CWO. I will go there and I will clear all the debt.
It's okay.
Then in my omunna, I didn't make in my meeting omunna. If I want to talk in my omunna, that omunna people are very wicked. If I want to talk, they will be reminding me of the debt my father is owing before he died. So I want to put.
Listen.
Oh.
Do you like this car?
Hey! Emeka, I used to dream of this your car sometimes. Emeka, I love this your car. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Baba.
Boss.
Do you like how fresh I look?
Hey! Oh my God. Amy, why wouldn't I like how fresh you look, Amy? Amy, I want to look fresh like you. I want to look fresh like you, my brother.
Okay.
I can do go flesh, you know.
You know why I've been asking you all these questions?
Now because you want to give me the money. I know now. You've been promising you give me the money. God have touched your heart.
No. I asked because I just woke up this morning and I decided to motivate you.
Emeka, you wanted to motivate me?
Yes, so that you hustle hard. You understand? Babambo. You know, you start looking fresh like me. You go moto, you buy your own car, and you have more than 2 million naira in your account. You understand? I just wanted to motivate you.
Emeka, did I tell you that I need a motivational speaker?
Oh,
did I going to motivate me? Did I tell you I need a motivational speaker, Emeka?
No, are you saying I've done something wrong?
God.
Okay,
God.
bye-bye.
God, I did not do this man anything, and he called me to motivate me. Oh God. Oh, Daddy.
Yam Baba.
Oh, you feel? Is he one like
The Yam Baba himself.
Okay, Papa, I can save. Hope I'm safe.
Yeah, you're safe. Let me go straight to the point, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we have the shoot, and there's a role.
Okay.
Yeah, and the role, we need someone that will give us something very original, okay? The money is not much. It's just 400,000 naira. So 400,000 naira.
I can play the role. Which role is that?
It's just a mad person, you know, a madman. Yes. Yes. Oh.
And I come on na school.
Okay. It makes it easier.
I can do it.
It makes it easier. So the thing is that okay, let me see what you can do. You know, just let me see what you can do. Yeah, like I'm for
Osubonu. Should I start immediately?
Yeah. Yes, okay, if I say action, you start.
If you say action, Ngano, I'm ready for you. Are you with me? Amy?
Yeah?
Are you with me? I'm still here.
Ngano.
Okay.
If I say action, you start.
Ngano. Okay, I'm ready.
Action.
Hugo, save me. Save me. Alamayala. Hugo, save me. Save me.
Yam Baba, stop.
Hugo, save me.
Stop.
Save me.
Can't you be mad? You know, original madness. Can't you? Somebody has exhibited. No, somebody has exhibited this madness in one film like that. I want something original. Yeah, Yala Nkege.
Okay, Yala Nkege. Oh my God, yellow or Yala now.
Yes, Yankege.
It was something original and then mad.
Yam Baba, just give me original madness, your own madness. If I say action, you start.
Okay, Spencer, talk to my hold this phone for me. You didn't phone now. Let me show you madness now. I'm looking for you.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm born ready.
Okay. All right. If I say action, you start.
Okay.
Action. Okay. Huh? Yes. It's okay. It's okay. Yes.
I did okay.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay. It's
Okay.
yeah, it's okay.
When am I having the money?
It's okay. Yes.
When am I having the money?
Wait. Are you a graduate?
I mean, I'm not a graduate now. If you massacre, I'm not a graduate now. I dropped out in JS2.
I just remember that the actor must be a graduate. Oh my god.
You know?
The actor must be a graduate. All right. So
I mean, what concerns graduate and madness now? Do I need to be a graduate before in Yalapa?
yes. No, the character. The character is a graduate, and what will happen is that you need to go back to school. Just go and write JAMB. Go back to school, study. After 4 years, you can come back for the role.
Njili maka ala je gbaja mbu banya school je go for 4 years.
It is for your own good. I would, just go to school. When you come back, you can.
After all these things I did, you not tell me sim je gbaja I should enter school because of madness load. I should go back to school for 4 years so that I will come and play madman.
Yes, exactly.
But you not tell me like that now before I start now.
I didn't remember. All right, I'll
Wait. What about my clothes? My clothes that I tear. When you get no here.
Young Baba. Did I ask you to tear your clothes?
But tell me, you saw me when I was tearing my clothes. You did not ask me to stop. You saw me when I was telling my. Okay, give me money for the clothes I tear. Don't worry about it. Just give me money for the clothes I tear. It's just 4,000 naira.
Yeah, Baba, go back to school, okay? After 4 years, you can come back for the role. We'll keep the money for you. All right? I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
I know say you love me, and I love you too. You wanna just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Because click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Because go. Go. We are begging you, please go.
Yam Baba.
And every time you call me, my heart to do me fear.
The Yam Baba
for me today.
You said I should be giving you update, right?
My brother, update, Karina, just put us through.
Yes, I just got something really, really good. Something you would like. It's the kind of thing they give to people like AY, Basket Mouse, I Go Die, But I thought you would need it more than them. You understand? So I decided to call you.
Hey, your kind of friendship should not lack me. God to bless you. You remember something that AY and I Go Die could gain from, and you called me. God bless you.
Yes.
What is it all about, Biko?
It's about it's about comedy and all that. You're a good comedian then. So
Yes. I'm very, very funny. When I was small, they used to call me Jagwa. I'm very, very funny.
can you crack a joke for me? Just one. Let me feel it.
Let me crack one joke for you so that you will know. Okay. I will give you my material, original material. Okay. There is one day at Levanija, one man was behind Levanija, and the man was there shouting, Tatino. People were wondering why the man was shouting, Tatino. Now you one woman to go to ask the madman, why are you shouting, Tatino? Now the madman pushed her inside Levanija and started shouting, Ufortino.
Okay, this one is good. Yes,
That's my material. I created it. My material, go.
Yes, they would like it. They would like it. Yes, they would like it.
That's nice.
Have you been outside the country before? Outside Nigeria?
Outside Nigeria. I've gone to Lagos and I've gone to Abuja. So I don't know. I've traveled, but it's Abuja, Lagos.
Yam Baba, do you have a passport?
To be honest with you, the passport I have here is black and white. The one I snap during my common analysis. But I can snap for you colored one and send to you.
No, I'm talking about international passports.
Okay, document. Okay. I can do it this week. I have my friend in Asaba that used to do all those flight ticket and then passport things. I can do it. It's not a problem.
Okay. We can fix that. So the thing is that I'm taking you to Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, is it outside the country?
You don't want to go to Zimbabwe. You don't want to travel outside the country.
Anywhere outside Nigeria I can go. I will go. Anywhere outside Nigeria, I'm okay. What is the job all about now? You say it's comedy. What is it? Who am I entertaining? Is it their president or their first lady? Or is it their governor? Who is
No. The thing is that they have they have a zoo, right? They have a zoo, a very large zoo. And
okay, they want to do show so that I'll come and entertain people that will
yes.
Okay.
They even have a baboon. You know, they have a baboon that is always it's quick tempered. So the baboon is always very angry. It scares people. You understand? Once it gets angry, it will scare people. So you know, they contacted me. They want a comedian, a very good comedian that will make the baboon to be happy. You understand? That will entertain the baboon so that the baboon can entertain people.
Emeka Makeze, you want me to leave this country to go and start making monkey to laugh?
Exactly. And they're paying well.
Emeka Makeze, you want me to go and start making Enwe to be laughing?
It's going to be your audience. You understand? It's going to be your audience.
Emeka, please. Emeka, please. See, please. Emeka, please. I'm kneeling down and beg you. Please, Emmy, please stop calling me on phone. Please. I'm begging you.
Can you just use your imagination? Do you remember when they said that Basket Mouth sold out O2 Arena in London? Can you remember?
I remember.
If you're entertaining the monkey, just imagine that you are Basket Mouth and you have sold O2 Arena. Just see the baboon as your audience, as the entire O2 Arena.
Please, I'm using the God you serve. I'm kneeling down, please. If you have updates, stop calling me. Biko, okay. Please, Amy, please, I'm begging you, call and listen. Please, how can you compare monkey and O2 Arena? Amy, Biko, please.
It's alright, I will not call you again.
I'm okay now. I'm okay with the updates. Amy,
I will not call you again.
Don't call me, Biko. I'm on my knee, Biko. I was now. Nah, pass monkey, monkey no me babu.
Wait. I called you because of something very important. I'm actually on my way to the movie location.
Okay.
You have always said you wanted to act, right?
My brother. I want to be an actor now. I want to be like you.
So I have a very wonderful opportunity for you. All right. You'll be acting. You know Chasinoje, right?
Chasinoje, yeah? And I have the same stomach like him.
So he's on my set.
Okay.
So I want you to play his double in this film.
Hi! Jesus so cool is you. One Makeze. You are blessed. One Makeze, Oh, you can give me a look. One Makeze, God will bless you. For remembering me to double cast a whole Chasinoje. Hi! One Makeze, I kneel down and play for you. God will bless your life.
It's a wonderful
God will bless you.
Yes.
God bless you. I'm on my knees.
Just get ready, Get ready so that by the time I get to the location, you'll be coming there. The thing is that we are supposed, the scene we are shooting today is that in the film, Charles died in the film. We'll be doing his burial today. And you know, I when I shoot, I love to make it as real as I can.
Yes.
So, and I would want, he's not going to be around today. So he has something very important he's going to do. So he will not be on the location. But what I want you to do for me is when we are shooting the scene, because when his village people will be carrying his coffin. Yes. Because he's not there. I also want them to, if they're carrying the coffin, let them feel the weight. Yeah, so I want you to play just, you know, the character in the coffin. You'll be in the coffin so that the village people now carry you. You understand?
Emeka Makeze. You want me to enter inside the Abatiozo?
Yes, but in your mind you're playing Chasinoje's character. You understand?
Emeka Makeze, I thought you are my very good friend. What kind of thing is this? So the first load you are giving me is for me to enter inside the coffin.
You don't want to act again?
I want to act now, but if I not tell my people that I've acted the movie, how would they not see me?
Just tell them you're the person inside the coffin.
Emeka Makeze,
if you don't want to act, you find somebody else.
How can you? Thank you. I'm not interested. What kind of thing is this? Because
don't call me again that you want to act. Bye bye.
Hey, child. Oh, Emmy.
Young Baba.
Ezebo.
The young Baba himself.
Ezebo.
How are you today?
Ezebo of Africa. You remembered me again today.
I have good news. I have good news for you.
You and your good news. What do you have for me?
I have good news for you. You know, there's you know, the unemployment rate in this country is terrible. You understand?
My brother is too high. It's too high.
Yeah, once anybody sees any opportunity, you know, they call their own people.
You are a good man. You're a good man.
So,
you're a good man. You're a good man. You always remember me. You're a good man.
Would you want to join the force?
Force.
Yes.
Yes, now. Hey.
Yes. Do you have any military or paramilitary experience?
Hey, I have now. Hey.
Which school?
I remember when I was a soldier. I remember.
No. I don't mean if you know any song. So
you want to make me remember when I was in Boy Scout. Boy Scout to them.
No. That's not what I'm saying.
Is it army force? Is it police force? Is it?
Yeah, but which school did you attend?
I attended the DMGS.
You didn't attend any command school?
No, command school. My admission.
Okay.
Lost Fiat. Show the light.
Okay, no problem. You know, they have the able-bodied. Are you strong? Do you have the energy for this kind of thing?
Let me see my chest now. See my chest, let me. See my chest now. See my muscle.
I can see it.
I have everything you need for any force. I think they used to be well.
You know, you have to shave this your baby. You shave.
I will shave it. It's not a problem. I will shave it. I will shave it.
Okay. All right. Let me put your name. You know, because my we are forming this parish volunteer force. You know, so I think you'll be a good candidate.
Tell me, which one is the parish volunteer force again?
In my church, you know Man O' War.
Man O' War.
Yeah, so we are trying to form something like that. You know, they will help in parking cars in the church, and they'll be the security during church services and all that. So we call it parish volunteer force.
Emeka, you called me for me to come and be parking car for people coming for church.
It's a force.
How is it a force, Emeka?
We called it parish volunteer force.
Emeka, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? Is it my fault that we are friends, Emeka? What did I do?
You don't understand it. They will receive training. They will do marching, parade.
Just to park car for people.
Band. It's a force. Don't you understand?
Emeka, I'll come and warn your traditional ruler. Because this thing, I cannot take it again. I will ask where you are from, and I will go and warn your Igwe. Emeka, I cannot take this thing anymore. Emeka, please stop calling me on the phone. Please.
Yambaba.
Please.
You see why people don't help? You see why people don't help? You see why people don't help?
How can you tell me to come and parking car for people after the excitement? To come
It's a force! It's a force!
It's a force! It's a force! It's a force! So bad there. Let me block your line because I'm a believer. Let me just Omega, please. Can't you bye.
This one has blocked me.
I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yambaba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you be getting notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, go. Go. We are begging you, please go. Esibo.
Yambaba. Yambaba.
Emi alu emego.
Gini.
Emi alu emego me.
Gini.
Emi, remember that day that I called you that I need Apple product?
Yeah, Yambaba, I told you where to get fruits.
No, I later come to your shop to buy the product, and then I saw one boy in front of your shop. He said he has original that the two of you serve. Sometimes they do partnership. So he gave me all the phone. All the boy come there. I was like, me Biko, please. The phone na chamoko. I this house, if you on the phone will be hitting on your hand. Then if I put the phone inside the power bank, The iPhone 12. You say na iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 will be charging the power bank. Amy, if I put charger, it will start playing music.
Yeah,
if I put earphone, it will start charging.
wait. I don't understand this story. You bought iPhone in my shop.
Not in your shop. Not in your shop. That day, I don't know whether you are land, but I saw one boy in front of your shop. So, we are not Apple product or iPhone. Also, it said that he have original one, iPhone 12, original one. He sold well to me. But the phone na chamoko now. The phone na, if I hold the phone, it will be eating. Yeah, somebody say I should remove the battery and leak it. But there's no way to remove the battery. So I called you to know whether you will help me find the boy, hear me?
Yam Baba. You're gonna call a Sigi phone. How much?
6.5.
You bought iPhone 12 6.5.
See me, I 6.5.
You're not complaining on a chaga okunaka. Price ya chaga okunaka. Yeah? Yam Baba. Somebody sold iPhone 12 6,005 to you.
That is not just the problem. According to the phone now, even if the phone they play music or when they do. Any app I open, it will show me something else. If I open App Store, it will show me OPay. If I open browser, it will show me Google Map. The music, the only music that is inside the phone is Tiwa Savage. I don't know that you know that music. Koloba. If I follow politician, they say na prostitution. Who not like better? That music is in the phone. But if I press it, it will start shouting eternity. I don't know the kind of phone. He said it's fairly used. He said the phone is fairly used. That's why.
Shut up, my friend. Somebody gave you iPhone 12 that just came out and at 6,500 and telling you it's fairly used. Who used it?
I don't.
And you bought. Don't worry, if it hits again, put it inside water. The water will hit. Use it to make Gary. Since you don't have sense. Somebody sold iPhone 12 6,005 to you and you bought. Are you okay?
It is in front of your shop. I thought the boy is your boy now. It was even when I gave it to Kimola, my girlfriend, that she now noticed that the Apple at the back of the phone, normally Apple products, the Apple at the back of the phone, they used to bite it off. They used to it used to be half. But the one that I bought, that fairly used on, the Apple is full. So I don't know.
Yeah, Baba,
I don't know.
It's a fantastic iPhone. It's a fantastic iPhone. What you need to do is just to bite the Apple. As I got plastic. Use it, bite the phone, bite the Apple. It will become the other type of Apple since you don't have sense. Yeah? Please, I don't know what you're talking about. Eh? You bought a very wonderful iPhone 12 at 6,005. Go and enjoy it with your Kimura.
No, bro, just help me find the boy. The boy is your child. On my height. Okay. Please help me find the boy. Just help me. Please, how can I find him? Because please help me, help me.
The only help I can offer you is to show you the video of that man that found camera at Lekki Toll Gate. Walk around the market like that. You will find the man. Thank you.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. It is that season of love again. The season of rice and stew. Season of jollof rice. Season of chin chin, meat pie, small chops everywhere. Season greetings from me and my team. See, this season, if you want us to give you season shout out, to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, just contact us. If you want us to wish your boss, to wish your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your child, anybody at all, we are here for you. We will do a very nice comedy video to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Baba, my man. Yeah, Baba. I am sorry I did not attend your birthday. How was it?
My birthday, how many months ago? You are calling me It was okay anyway. It was okay.
My brother.
Thank God I even remember to call.
My brother.
I'm happy.
By the time I close shop, by the time I close shop, I got home, traffic, I was tired, I couldn't come. Yeah?
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
But there's always a way to make amends. Yeah, there's always a way.
I believe you. You can't tell me. I believe you. I know what you can do. I know what you can do. That's why I don't want to disturb you coming to your shop. I know what you can do.
Yes. Yeah, Baba. You have account number, right?
Yeah?
You have account number.
I have now. I have.
Which bank do you use?
Thank God. UBA.
Okay, that is beautiful. I like that. Please call your account number for me. Call your account number for me.
God bless you.
Call it so I can write it down.
Never late than ever. Better late than ever.
Call your account number.
Gift for me.
Call your account number. Let me type it down. Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. 2057 159
159
779.
Okay. Do you receive more than 500,000 naira? Does your account receive now 500,000 naira kita kwa ya bata na account gị?
Hey! God! 500 again.
If I send 500,000 naira now, it will go.
It will enter.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, I was telling this man. I was telling this man that your bank they have that the account number is 10, and that you look at it. I've counted your own now. It's 10. And I was telling him that if you pay in 500,000 naira into the account, that it will enter. And he has been arguing with me. Can you imagine? Nonsense. If you be telling these people some things, they will be arguing. It's all right. Bamba, yeah, thank you very much. I'll talk to you later.
Amy, wait. Amy.
Yeah?
If we say go on, you not pay the money again. You don't give me the birthday gift again.
No. I was just arguing with somebody, and he was telling me something else. I'm telling him that the account number is 10, and it can receive up to 500,000 naira at a go. And he has been arguing with me. Don't worry about your birthday. When I see you, I'll buy you 1 bottle of beer.
You called me because of an argument to ask me for my account number.
Yes, so that so that it will be like two people. I say, this man has been arguing with me. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
I know say you love me, and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, go. Go. We are begging you, please go. Hello.
Aha, Yam Baba.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is Barrister Ezigbo. I am sure you have heard of me.
Okay, Barrister, Senior Counsel.
That is me.
Good afternoon, sir. I've been expecting your call now since morning. What happened? Because my agent told me that you will call me since morning. I need this case to be in court because this land, I know it's not my own, but I need to grab the land. I'm more I like you, and I like another Soku, and he said you are the best lawyer in town. Though that the land is having small spiritual problem because the owner of the land, the father was an SMO. But he should go to hell. I know that you are capable to help me and win the case. So please, when are we coming to court? Let's start this case. I need that land. Actually, I can be there. Barrister.
Yam Baba. I think you are talking. I think you are talking about a different lawyer here, not Barrister Ezigbo. Yes, I called you. Yes, I did not call you because I want to represent you in court over a land matter.
Okay.
I called you because I want to represent myself over a romance matter. Yes, as a matter of fact, I want to get married and settle down. So I called you because I want to marry your sister.
Oh, Okay, why Alumo? How come misunderstanding? Okay, okay, you are not the lawyer that is supposed to call me today.
No.
Okay.
I called because I want to marry your sister.
Okay, my sister. Okay.
Yes.
Wait, oh, you are a lawyer.
What?
You said you are a lawyer.
I just introduced myself as Barrister Ezigbo and you're asking me stupid question. I
just want to be sure because I've been looking for somebody like you as my in-law because I'm more in Sobu. So Ogo
You don't have a problem.
Okay.
In that case, yes. In that case, you don't have a problem because I will well, in that case, you don't have a problem.
Okay.
All you need to do is be my in-law. Because as I'm talking to you right now,
okay,
I am an international lawyer.
Wow.
In fact, yes, if we are not for my legal expertise.
Legal expertise.
Yes.
Okay.
This former president of America. Okay, Jenga. Okay, Jegonga.
Ebuskona. You mean you are the one that saved Potusu from going to jail?
Okay, Jenga.
Hey.
But my legal sagacity was able to save him. Yes. I've handled so many other international high-profile cases.
Ekusukwana.
Yes, I represent people like Peter Obi and so many men of timber and caliber. You understand?
Okay.
I have
Were you the lawyer
them.
that represented Peter Obi that time that they impeached him?
What? Ozubo. Yes, they saw fire in court.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Does that mean that you've not lost any case before? Can you hear me, sir?
I don't even think about. Yes. I don't even think about it.
Oh.
I don't think about it because I have never lost a case. And I am not planning to lose any case.
So does that mean that now? That means if I mistakenly kill somebody, you can defend me in court and then you can set me free. Ogo.
Are you mad? Ibewu? Why will you kill somebody? Why will you kill somebody?
You're my in-law now.
Anyway, if you kill somebody, I'll just try my best. If he ends in jail, you go to jail.
I thought you say you don't lose cases, Barrister Ezigbo.
Yes, I don't lose cases. Does not mean that you will go and kill somebody and expect me to come and defend you.
So my sister now that you want to marry now, what if she now mistakenly, maybe two of you are talking and then she mistakenly carry something because she used to have hot temper, carry something, chawagisi. Maybe you can defend her in court too. You can maybe she's carrying motor and then she now jump somebody and then kill the person. Hope you can defend her in court and then she will not have issues because I want to be sure that you can handle my sister.
Maybe you did not hear me very well. You did not hear me very well when I introduced myself. I said that I am Barrister Ezigbo. If I get married to your sister and in any eventuality she hits me something and breaks my head, you, your sister, your father, your mother, everybody will go to jail. I swear to God, everybody will go to jail. Nobody messes with me. So when am I coming to collect the list of?
Okay, the list. I have the list off head, so I can give you the list. There's no problem. Just put it down. I have it off head. So if you are coming for introduction, you have to bring one Range Rover. That is first introduction. Second, lawyer. International lawyer. Second introduction, you have to bring 25 million naira cash with 1 trailer of cow. Then last introduction, you will now bring 5 trailers of tubers of yam. 5 trailers of tubers of yam. That is how we will start before we will now start talking about Ebanko. So just take it and then I will give you date. You will come. Our time, we don't do something on oil. on Oye. It's only other place like Unkwo Afo, but Oye. So don't come on Oye Day. Come on Unkwo Afo Oyeke. So when are you coming? Nah, Ogo Bushoni. The lawyer.
Okay. I can see that your village people are jobless. You now want me to come and feed your entire town. Am I buying your entire family?
No, now.
Huh?
So that when you take us to jail now, now, so that when you will take us to jail, we will see what we will sell and bill ourselves now. I put it to you that you are one of the most stupid lawyer on earth. I put it to you. You are guilty of what I'm saying. I've leave my phone.
You're a madman. I am going to sue you.
Sue me.
I will sue you.
Look
You're
at
a madman.
I am going to sue the driver.
I am going to sue
lawyer.
you.
You will sue me.
I will sue you.
If you sue me, I will take you to Okija Shrine. I will sue you in Shrine. I will take you to Shrine. The man. I know you just love that video you just watched, right? Share it to your friends and family. You want to go to see more of my videos, the previous and the future ones? Go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, Yam Baba Comedy. Subscribe is free. Also on the bell for my notification to be popping up on your phone. You want to go? If you also need a good MC for your event, if you need a good event planner to package your event, I'm your light plug. I'm the best MC you will have for your event. If you want to learn advert for your brand, you want us to influence your brand, talk about your products in our videos, create a very nice way to promote your products, call us. If you want to also give shout out to anybody, you know, maybe birthday shout out, weekend shout out, Sunday shout out, any shout out, call us. We will do video to do shout out for your loved ones. We love and appreciate you. Thank you, good. My brother.
Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Baba.
Emi, you are my brother. No matter what happened, now me call you today. I'm not working that. As in Okokoba, Anuman, Ujukula Raja, but Okokoba Mod, Ujukuman, you're my brother.
Okay, no problem, no problem. What is it? What do you want me to do for you?
Emi, you deal on electronics and all these phone accessories. So I need this small favor from you now. Not favor, the market I want back. The market. My girlfriend, Kimola. She's doing her birthday, so I want to surprise her. I want to shock her. So I want you to give me some Apple product. I want to get Apple product for her, like 5, to go and give her. Let me shock her.
Yeah, Baba.
So yes, boss.
You want to shock your girlfriend with Apple products?
Thank you very much. I hear that one is the one in town. No Apple product, the best.
Yeah, Baba, you have arrived, though. You have arrived.
I'm no more that same level you used to wine before.
Don't be smart. No, it's okay. I have all the Apple products. I have all the Apple products.
Okay, start from laptop. Apple laptop. How much? Apple laptop.
Apple laptop. Okay.
Yes.
I have the one of 1.5 million. I have.
That is wonderful. Oh, I'm not asking you how much you pay in your shop. It's expensive though. I'm asking for the laptop you sell, Apple product, not how much you pay in your shop.
That's what I'm saying. I have laptops of 1.5 million. I have 800,000. I have small one of 5.
Leave laptop. Anything that laptop can do, TV can do it. Check Apple TV for me. Apple TV. Any Apple TV you have. Kimola, you will hear me. I will shock her.
TV, we have there's this new one. You know, that one is 2.5. 2.5. Then I have would you want that one?
2.5.
Okay, 2.5.
Okay, see, Kali while you wine. Leave TV, check a video machine, any Apple video machine, kill the kill film. You put CD, any Apple video machine.
Yeah, but those ones, like all those the video machine you're talking about now. I can give you 600,000.
Apple product. Okay, check Apple phone. Any Apple phone you have. Latest one. Apple phone. Let me just give her that one. Apple phone.
That one is it's a little bit okay. The other one is 800,000. We have 750,000 for the phones.
Emeka, is there no Apple product that I can get a smaller amount? And what was any other Apple product in my?
No, if you must get, if you must surprise her with the Apple product, at least if it's the earphone, you buy.
Oh,
Yes.
nice
Very
one.
beautiful. They call it yes.
Earphone. I can get it in a
AirPod,
very
yes.
good price. How
You
much
can-
is Apple earphone?
It's just 200,000.
Eh?
It's just 200,000.
2 guinea.
200,000.
They say
I said
Is it on there?
it's just 200,000.
earphone no nka ala eleku 1 2 no piwe ka na 1 tele.
It's Apple now. It's Apple.
Emeka, you know, when I called you, I was shouting. Maybe that is why you think my money is shouting. Let me come down. Is there no Apple that I can get around 20,000, 15,000, something Apple related, Apple something?
Young Baba, it's not a must you will buy Apple. If you go to Oyenimo, if you go there, ask them to give you $1 or banana. They have a lot of banana and soda. They will give you $1. They have different types. You don't have to surprise her with Apple. Try $1 or banana. They will even have pawpaw. They have pawpaw and soursop.
Emeka, what kind of human being are you now? Emeka, I tell you that I want Apple product to surprise my girlfriend. Now say $1 now.
You cannot afford Apple, and I'm giving you other fruits to try. What is your problem?
And
You
the
can
laptop
go
know
with
your
Abraham.
name.
But you know your name or draw. You then afford it. Yeah, I'm going to the shop. Please don't bring bad luck to me this morning.
Who the mother be for? Hey. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. It is that season of love again. The season of rice and stew. Season of jollof rice. Season of chin chin, meat pie, small chops everywhere. Season greetings from me and my team. See, this season, if you want us to give you season shout out, to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, just contact us. If you want us to wish your boss, to wish your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your child, anybody at all, we are here for you. We will do a very nice comedy video to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.